Alright, we're opening Blast Box 910 Flare Ultra. We got a couple packs left. Already opened up like 3. So far we got Riley Coat, Gold Medallion, JP Dumont, Gold Medallion, and James Neal, Gold Medallion, and Zach Parise, Scoring Kings. Alright, let's move on to the next pack. And Ultra Rookie of this guy. No clue how to say his name. And Gold Medallion of Marc Savard. And base. Crowning Achievements of Steve Mason. So that's a good one. And Nikita Filatov, Gold Medallion. And base. Patrick Kane, Gold Medallion, which I already have. And the other ones are base. Gold Medallion of Lukowicz. Yeah, break base, except for Thomas Holmes from base for PC. Gold Ultra Rookie of Michael Vernis, something like that. And base. I don't think I got a jersey in this box, but oh well. Scoring Kings, Martin St. Louis. Gold Medallion, Drew Doughty. Eric Stahl base. Oh, there's one's. And Eric Cole base. Alright. Down to the final 3 packs. Ultra Rookie of Ryan Veska, or whatever his name is. A Ryan Getzlaff Gold Medallion. And the other 2 are base. Gold Medallion of Ryan Suter. And base. Last pack. And no jersey. Crosby base. Steve Mason base. Nicholas Backstrom Gold Parallel, or Gold Medallion. And then 2 base. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.